Today we want to show how to navigate and use the user interface of our WordPress form builder. You can see the screen is split in two halves. The left section is where you can build the structure and modify the form elements. The right section is the live preview where you can preview your changes. Press the refresh button if you don't see the changes in the preview instantly. Use the center bar to modify the preview width. Or you can also use the buttons on the top right to accurately select the size for phones and tablets. The last two buttons in this area beside the Save button will show and hide the preview section. Along the top part of the form builder, you'll find the form elements. You can drag them onto the form position you require like this. Or you can click them to simply add the element to the bottom of your form or form page. You can duplicate an element using this little icon. Modify the element label by clicking the title. It is also possible to modify it in the settings. To change an element to be required or optional, just use this tick switch. If the tick is red, this indicates a required field. Let's just delete these elements for now. We recommend using the group element to better organize and manage your forms. These can also be used to create defined sections. You can also see you can toggle the contents, which will be handy for larger forms. You'll notice that the last option available for each of the elements is the setting icon. Click the cog icon to launch the element settings window. We'll find a ton of unique options for each of the elements. This is where we will configure all form elements, where the cool things happen. If you want to jump to the next element without closing the window, use the navigation arrows. You can see on the title the label name of the element that we are editing. We can save or cancel changes to the options to go back to the form builder. I'm now going to show you where to locate the global form elements for this form. Here you can see toggles for the form builder in the settings. Click the cog icon to switch to global settings. You can adjust the window size if required. Here in the global settings, you're going to find what you'll need to make your form look and function as required. And finally, you may have noticed there are two tabs here that say Page 1 and 2. To make large forms easier to use and manage, we can use Form Pages. In this section we can find the page settings and add and modify pages. Use the button to save the form and you're all set. Follow us for more tutorials.